Ora Na, and welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Fakateretere. Today we are learning Tahitian song, so it's called Fakateretere by the singer Gabilou. It's a song about, I think, a dream. I'm not sure about the meaning of the song. I will let you, as always, the translation of the lyrics in the description, but I think it's about a dream. Fakateretere means the breath of the wind. In the song, it's more about the north wind that we called tokerau or tokerau. And it's a song in, not in Tahitian actually, it's a Polynesian language that we call Paumotu. It's a song that I've already made on this channel, but in French, but now we're gonna learn it with different chords, so for deeper voices. Also, new addition to the videos, we're gonna tune our ukuleles together. So we start with the 4th string. Which is a G string. The 3rd string, so the C string. 2nd string, which is the E string. With the first one, so the A string. Now that our ukulele are tuned, we are ready to play. Let's start. Okay, so the first chord we're gonna need is the A chord. So for the position of the finger, you put your index finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, then your middle finger on the up string, so the 4th string of the 2nd fret. So 3rd string of the 1st fret, you put your index finger, and 4th string of the 2nd fret, you put your middle finger. We have the E7 chord, so you put your index finger on the up string of the 1st fret right here, then your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret. And we're gonna play with a D chord. So it's going to be a bit different than usually. Usually, you know, the D chord is played, so as a bar chord, you put your index finger or your middle finger on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string of the 2nd fret. But for this one, it's going to be better to really bar all of the string with your finger. So it's going to be the whole fret actually. So you put your index finger on the whole string, on the whole fret, and you have the D chord. It's also called D6 chord. And the last chord you need is gonna be the F sharp minor chord. So to play this one, you're gonna put your index finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, then your middle finger on the up string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. So you have an F sharp minor chord. Okay, now I'm showing you the strumming pattern. So you're gonna use the following pattern to play the song, but if you have your own, don't hesitate to use it on the Playalong. So the pattern is gonna be down, down, up, 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 down, up, and we repeat that. So down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down, down. Down, up, up, down, 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 Now faster. Now with the chords. Now let's play. Fakateretere, na tokerau, piko hanga, ina ruki, Viru, thank you for joining me today to play this song. Actually, it's a really popular song here. I sing it since I was a little kid, and I hope you're gonna like it. If you like the video, don't hesitate to share it, to comment, to subscribe to our YouTube channel or our social media, and I will see you next week with a new song. Bye bye.